Hi, I'm Eric Rendezzo, sous chef over here at Forno Bistro, and I'm here to talk to you about our Bake Me Home Tonight, our DIY pizza kit. Got one right here for you guys. Take a look at what you get. We're going to take you through the steps on how to bring this thing home and make a pretty sweet pizza with you and the fam. So we're going to go ahead and do a little unboxing. We have a couple different packages you can choose from. This is our Meat Lovers package. It's going to come with our house-made crushed tomato sauce. We have a combination here of soppressat and calabrese. And we have our house-made crumbled sausage, and of course, some shredded mozzarella. How can you make some pizza without the pizza dough? So this is what you'll be getting in your kit, and let's go ahead and take a walkthrough on how to put it all together. All right, so what we're gonna start by doing is taking our dough, getting out on a nice lightly floured surface. We're just gonna lightly flour the top so it doesn't stick. Pick it up. We're just going to establish a crust. We're going to give it a nice hard pinch all the way around, almost to the point where you can see through the dough. And once you have that crust, we're going to put it right back down on the table. I am a righty, so I use my right hand for stretching and my left hand for holding the pizza. What you're going to do is hold the pizza with your left hand and stretch from the inside out, making a semicircle motion with your other hand. So you're just gonna go that all the way around the pizza. You're gonna feel it start to stretch from the inside, get it nice and thin. That's how we like it. And once you get it to the size that you're comfortable with, you can start thinking about how you're gonna pick this up and put it onto your paddle. So it's a pretty elastic dough. It's not gonna rip that easily. You're gonna take a pizza paddle if you're gonna bake this on a sheet tray, you're just gonna get that floured up and ready to go. You can just do a little more stretching from the inside out to get it nice and thin. So we're gonna go ahead and put that down on our paddle. Look for any holes, and if you have a hole, you're gonna patch from the center out. So you're just gonna pick it up and fold it over itself. Now we're gonna open up our sauce here. Start in the middle, and just go ahead and sauce her up. Once you have enough sauce that suits your needs, you can start thinking about what toppings you want. I'm gonna do this one with a little bit of soppressat. I'm gonna put on a little sausage as well. We're gonna go ahead and top it off just with our shredded mozz. A little bit of this goes a long way. All right, now what we're gonna do is show you how to get this in the oven.
So before we get going here, it's very important that we preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Go ahead and throw it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until you look at it and you think it looks good enough for you. Pull it out when it's at that point. Slice it with either a pizza slicer or a chef knife, whatever you have available. Let it cool and go ahead and enjoy.